Hey guys, welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. Today I'm doing this awesome romantic skull, and I'm first covering my full face in some tag ivory. After I've done the ivory, I actually realized that I wanted it to be a little bit more pink, so I just added a little bit of tag pink on top. Once I've done that, I'm now using a number 12 flat brush and a custom one stroke. This is a tag one stroke, and I'm just starting to create some nice flowers. So these one strokes take a little bit of time to get your head around them, but with enough practice they're super fun. So that's all of my flowers done. So after that, now I'm going to go in with this other little tag one stroke, and I'm going to start creating some little leaves around all of my flowers. After that, I'm now going in with this little round brush, and I've loaded it with white and then just filled the tip of the brush in with a bit of dark red, and I'm just adding some nice little flowers around the leaves and other flowers as well. Now using a small round brush and a global deep Merlot, I'm just outlining all of my little leaves. After that, I'm going to go in with a tag white and just add some highlights to my flowers and my leaves as well. Now that's the flowery background of the makeup all done. So now I'm going to go in with a face art black and a small round brush, and I'm going to start outlining all of the darker areas of my skull. Now that all the outlines are done, I'm now going in with a slightly larger flat brush and I'm just filling in all of those outlines. Now that part is all done, I'm now going in with a dark brown Starblend and I'm going to start adding some shading to my skull as well. And for the mouth part, I'm first starting off by filling it in with a bit of Starblend, and then I'm going to use a tag white and I'm just going to go over that so that the Starblend is already creating a bit of a shadow underneath my white. Once the white teeth are done, I'm now going in with that face art black again. I'm just outlining them, and then I'll just use a bit of Starblend again just to add some shading. Now it's time to start adding some final little details, so I'm adding these nice little thin cracks, and then I'm going to start adding some highlights as well. Also, a nice way to make sure that the black around your eyes stay really nice, you can put a little bit of pink eyeshadow or any color eyeshadow on top of it, and that will kind of just make the skull a little bit prettier as well. I'm just putting it on all of the black areas, and then that is the makeup all done. So now as well, I've just added some bio glitter into my hair and also some pretty eyelashes and contact lenses. All of these products are available on the BODYFX website, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you all next time.